Aizawl, the capital of the state of Mizoram, which is in the northeast of India, is situated at about 1,132 meters above sea level. Aizawl was officially established on 25th February 1890. Aizawl is also known as the home of the Highlanders. Aizawl is the largest city in the state of Mizoram. It is one of the remotest capitals, perches precariously on the steep slopes of a sharp ridge, straddling the watershed between the Tlong and the Tuirial river valleys. As per 2011 census, the population of Aizawl is 291,822. The sex ratio is 1,029 females per 1,000 males. The average literacy rate of Aizawl city is 98.80%, of which male and female literacy was 99.30 and 98.31% respectively. The main language is Mizo, but English is widely understood here. The people here are known as Mizos, who are Christians by faith, and most of them speak English. In fact, Mizoram has a literacy rate of 87%, which is the second highest in the country. Aizawl is the first and only city in India to become completely free of the sound of honking by vehicles, that too without any government policy in this regard. The nearest airport is Lengpui Airport, which is 32 kilometers from the capital. Lengpui Airport is the first large airport in India to be built by the state government. Aizawl city is among the safest, if not the safest in India in terms of crime, personal safety and insurgency. Most people, including single female travelers, will not face any problems walking along the streets alone at night.